In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy more credits or manage your subscription. If you need additional credits for your account, or if you want to review and update your current plan, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can complete it smoothly and avoid any confusion along the way. To begin, look for your profile or credit balance icon. This is usually located in the top area of the platform interface, where account-related options and billing details are commonly found. Once you find it, click on that icon to open the account menu. This is where you'll usually see settings related to your profile, plan, and available credits. After opening the menu, select either Buy More Credits or Manage Subscription, depending on what you want to do. If your goal is to quickly add more credits to your account, choose Buy More Credits. If you want to review your billing setup, update your subscription, or see what plan you're currently on, then select Manage Subscription instead. Taking a moment to choose the correct option can help you get where you need to go faster. If you're purchasing additional credits, the next step is to choose a top-up credit pack. You'll typically see a few different options, so take a moment to review them and pick the one that best fits your usage. If you expect to use the service more frequently, a larger pack may be more convenient. If you only need a small boost, a smaller top-up may be enough. Choosing the right amount helps you stay in control of your usage and spending. Once you've selected the credit pack you want, go ahead and complete the checkout process. Be sure to review the order details before confirming, just to make sure everything looks correct. After checkout is finished, your credits should be added to your account based on the platform's processing flow. And that's it. By opening your profile or credit balance icon, selecting Buy More Credits or Manage Subscription, choosing the right top-up pack, and completing checkout, you can quickly manage your account and keep your credits ready whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.